Somewhat makeshift, but I built this out of PVC to hold a blink camera after having something eating my plants and actually pulling out net cups and big plants. This sunflower was eaten clear down to the cloning collar, but it's starting to come back. It looks like it's going to have a couple branches. For comparison's sake, the sister plant to that sunflower is quite huge right now. After losing several plants, I was a little frustrated, but I was able to find Bush Life tomato plants, and this is one that I rinsed a gallon container of dirt off and replanted. It had a sister plant, and I'm very happy with it. As a matter of fact, if you can look right in the midst of that, there are a couple Bush Life tomatoes that are forming on the plant, even though it's still fairly small. This crazy plant is a volunteer that was growing in some gravel. It's probably the seeds off of a 100 cherry plant, that Sweet 100. And after coming out of the gravel, I was able to get it going, but it was quickly eaten back, and now it's coming back. My pepper plants are not doing quite as well. I moved them down lower on the tower to get a little bit more shade. They were originally stuck up at the top of the tower. In their place, I've put some quick snack cucumbers, and if you look closely, you could find out that I have taken those out of an air garden, and I used an adapter plate that allows me to put the air garden white basket right down through that and put it into the tower garden. Last of all, the other day I took the strawberry plants that were left over from growing indoors. They were looking rather sickly, and I'm going to find out whether or not putting those in this tower garden outdoors is going to give them new life and possibly another crop before fall. Last year I had some cole crops. This is the only one I'm doing right now. It is a cauliflower plant, and so far is looking healthy, and I've not seen any predators on it, in terms of looper worms, cabbage worms, that are attacking it. So hopefully I'll get a nice little cauliflower head off of it. So there you have it. Rather short and sweet, but that's what's growing right now towards the first part of August, and I'm hopefully going to get something out of this tower garden before the end of the season.